Dave, do you believe a single thing Lisa said about the ghost?
I'm not sure. On one hand, she could have been serious, but on the other, it sounds like make-believe.
Oh, please. I don't know about you, but I doubt she saw a ghost. She probably had a bad dream and is acting like the dream is real. This is absolutely nonsensical.
Brandon, it could have been a ghost. You never know.
Ha! She's a coward, while I'm the braver engine. If I saw a ghost, I wouldn't run away and scream now, would I?
Brandon, stop it.
What did I do?
You're making fun of Alyssa, and that's not nice. If you were made fun of, would you appreciate it?
Well, no, but this is different.
Whatever you say. I'm not going to bother argue with you.
Uh-huh. Anyway, I still stand by the fact that I doubt there's a ghost.
It's either a ghost or a hallucination.
But wouldn't the ghost visit Larry? From what Lisa said, it looked just like him.
Maybe he got lost.
He's a ghost, Dave. He couldn't get lost. He could travel anywhere.
Ghosts can also get lost, you know.
Nonsense. If I was a ghost, I could travel anywhere.
I just wonder where the ghost is right now.
The ghost is nowhere because it doesn't exist. End of story.
Brandon, are you going to take this seriously or not?
I'm taking this seriously by being logical.
I must be on time. I must be on time.
Steady now, steady.
I'm a guaranteed connection, Sean. I don't want to be late.
Charles, you're speeding as if there's a ghost chasing you. Quit fooling around.
Oh, please. I'm saying this right now. There's no such thing as ghosts.
Judging by your speeding, you're sure acting like you're thinking so. Pay attention.
I am paying attention, Sean. What the? Sean, what happened?
You burst your safety valve.
What do you mean?
It means you're stuck and can't pull your train anymore.
Oh, bother. We were going so nicely, too. How did this happen?
You tell me, Charles.
Well, Sean, I told you that
You were not running late, Charles. We were running very early. You deliberately sped like a coward just because of your ignorance. Stay put, Charles. We'll get help. I'm sure everyone's going to be laughing at this.
That's all I can do. But what the? Well, that was quick. Who's back there? Riley, is that you? Wilfred? Hey, thanks for the help again. I greatly appreciate it.
Always happy to help. Now, you get some rest. I got my own thing to do.
Was that a ghost?
Beats me.
Thank you for shunting my coaches, Pete.
No problem. I couldn't have done it without Gus helping me.
That's good to hear.
Also, William, word on the street says that there's a ghost about.
What do you mean?
I mean that there's a ghost roaming the rails, you know. There's a legend that every night the ghost engine stalks the railway and vows to take over our jobs in an independent manner. At the moment, it's unknown if this is true, but there's a mighty fine chance that it is. Pull up on your wheels, mate.
Don't worry, Gus. Ghosts don't exist.
Either way, take care on your journey.
I'll be just fine. Don't worry.
What's that?
It's the ghost!
Huh?
You're welcome.
You're right, Gus. There's a ghost about.
Calm down, my friend. It could be just one big misunderstanding. Now I have to hurry and get this passenger train to Wington Station. I can't keep my passengers waiting. So long!
Yeah. See ya.
Take care, my friend.
There can't be such a thing as ghosts. Gus and Peter are probably trying to mess with me. There's no ghost.
I agree. But enough of that topic. It looks like he's going to be raining tonight, so we must take care.
Right. And I think it's best we warn the other engines quickly.
Don't go too fast. You don't want to hurt your passengers.
Oh, right. My bad.
Hello, William. Glad you've made it.
Right on time.
I'm glad to hear it. However, I need to talk to you two about something.
Oh?
What's the matter?
Lane says that there's a change of rain tonight, so I advise you both to be extra careful.
Alright. Thanks, Willie.
Thank you, Will. Just to be sure, I'll help Cale the whole way.
Good idea. I wish you both the best of luck to get through this tricky run.
Aye. Thanks, William.
You can rely on us. We got this. Alright, Cale. Friendly reminder to make sure you're being very careful like William said. The roads can get slippery in the rain.
Guilty, Nathan. Dear me. The rain has been a bother this evening. Why hasn't it cleared up?
I have no idea. But you should be paying attention to what you're doing. You don't want to get into an accident.
Right. Thanks, Nathan.
Anytime. Whoa! Cale! You don't need to be pushy. We have plenty of time.
Calm down, Nathan. I wouldn't have pushing you. How could I have done that when I'm the one leading?
Actually, that makes sense. If it wasn't you, then who?
Sorry, I'm in a hurry.
What the? Hey, watch where you're going, Speedy. Holy smokes, what was that?
I'm not sure. It sounded like a crash.
Dear me, Sam, send someone to see if anyone's okay.
You don't have to tell me twice.
See anything, Lisa?
It was the ghost.
Lisa, there's no such thing as a ghost.
But I did see the ghost. He spoke to me, I swear.
Don't be so daft. I'm sure it was nothing. I never heard a whistle like that before.
That's because it's the ghost.
Hi, girls.
I think you're right about the ghost. I suggest we want Cherry and Lizzie.
That would be the best decision.
Hi, you two! Cherry, Lizzie, we heard a ghost engine when we were expecting the mine.
Expect to hear an awful shrill whistle tonight.
A ghost engine? Yes, and it's really... I've never seen a ghost engine before. That sounds so exciting. I want to get excited about a ghost, Cherry. They're really not exciting as you... Tell me what you think of my ghost impression. Ooh, I'm here to haunt you.
Don't joke about those things.
Cherry, stop. Okay, but back to the topic at hand. There's nothing to worry about. We'll keep an eye out for them. Thanks, girls!
Look, Lila and Lisa, no offense, but it was probably Nate playing a prank on you two. In any case, there's no such thing as ghost.
But we swear that we're not pulling your wheels.
Sorry, we have to go now.
We'll see you both later!
Alright, be careful, you two.
And if you see the ghost, stay away from him, alright?
We will!
Don't worry, everything's gonna be okay. You know, it's nice to be at the back. It's always fun to see your view going backward.
Lizzie, can you help me out? This train is getting heavy.
Right. Sorry, Cherry. Larry, if this is one of your jokes, it's not funny. There's a ghost roaming around!
Lizzie, quit messing with me. I'm not fooling around right now.
I'm not messing with you, I promise!
Don't go too fast, girls, or you'll end up like poor old me in the sea.
Was that?
It was Zack! Ghosts do exist!
Lizzie, calm down. I'm sure it was a misunderstanding.
Alright.
I think I know what's going on. I'm going to have a word with Zack about this matter immediately. If I can find him, that is. Zack?
Hello, little brother. It's been a while, hasn't it?
Zack, what are you doing? You're causing trouble. Not to mention you're scaring one of my friends.
Oh, I did? I'm sorry. I was only trying to help the purple engine. She seemed scared, so I wanted to see what was up.
She was scared because you were chasing after her. Not to mention you caused a serious panic attack.
Oh. I'm sorry.
It's fine, Zack.
Speaking frankly, I am a spirit that's not concerned about rules. This spirit is concerned about engines.
I understand that.
Then why haven't you moved from now?
I just wanted to make sure that my little brother is okay. And I only wanted to help others with the workload.
Well, I appreciate it, but you still caused a lot of trouble with the other engines.
I'm sorry. It's just called being a free spirit.
I know why you're free-spirited. You're literally a spirit! Come on! That was genius!
How about this? You could be like a guardian angel to this railway.
A guardian angel? That's not such a bad idea. Thanks for the idea. What's your name?
Elizabeth, but I'm usually called Lizzie.
Well, thank you, Lizzie, darling. Now, sorry to cut this short, but I must go.
Before you go, I have one small request.
Yeah?
Ghost? I ain't afraid of no ghost. They're just things that go bump in the night. Completely nonsensical. Trucks! No, anything but trucks!
Ooh. Worsdell, I've come to haunt you.
Stay back! I gotta get out of here! Help! I'm not gonna open my eyes until it's daylight!
The deed is done.
Whatever you say. I'm not going to bother you.
It could be just one big misunderstanding. Now, I have to get this